Hello students, on this video we are discussing about next one, that is 5 yearly moving average. Okay, so see here, calculate 5 yearly moving average for the following data. As usual, how to solving from the 4 years, 3 years. On the same cases we have to solve here for the 5 years. So here year is given and y values are given. It is year 1998, 1999, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, and 2009 and 2010. So up to 2010 year are mentioned and y values are given in the below of the y values. So how to calculate from the moving averages here? So see, I told you first year it will not come anything. Okay, so next year 1999 we want. So first is how many groups we have to make here. If it is 3 year, then 1 2 3 you can make. If it is 4 year, 1 2 3 4 groups you can make. And here it is a 5 years, means you can make it 5 years, that is 1 2 3 4 5 up to here, plus form up to here. So this is a one group of 5 years. The total will be 515. Okay, so next is 2000 we want, last year and next 4 year groups, that is a 5 years, 1 2 3 4 5 5 years group you can make. Okay, in the 2000 what is your value? 530. On the next 2001 we can make it 5 years up to 95 to 98, 1 2 3 4 here 100 to 100, 95, 105, 120 and 98, last year value and next 4 years values. Okay, this is a 5 year group. Yes, so it is 5 years. How much it is coming? 2001, that is 518. So next is 2002 we want, 2002 ಬೇಕು. So last year and next 4 years, that is 5 year, 1 2 3 4 5 groups. That is this year is how much it is? 493. In the same 2003 we want, so 105 to up to 60, that is 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 you can plus it. So how much it is coming? 458. The next is 2004 we want. Yes, the 2003 to 5, that is 1 2 3 4 5. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ 1 ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ 5 ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ 4 ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ 4 ಇಯರ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ 5 ಇಯರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ 3 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ಹೋದ ವರ್ಷದ ಒಂದು, ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಒಂದು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷದ ಒಂದು ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 4 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ಹೋದ ವರ್ಷ, ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಇಯರ್ಸ್. 4 ಅಂದರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ 3 ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ 3 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, 4 ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ 4 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, 5 ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ 5 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಸೊ 2004ದು 5 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್, 1 2 3 4 5. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್? 433. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2005. ಸೊ 2005 ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್? ಹಿಯರ್ 98 to 92, 98, 75, 60, 80 and 92 plus 5 groups, that is 405. So next is 2006. So start from 75 to 84, 1 2 3 4 5. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್, ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇದು ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ 1 ತೊಗೊರಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 4s. Okay, so how much it is? 391. Okay, so 2007 16 to 99 16 to 99. Okay, 2007 is 16, 60, 80, 92, 84, 99, 5 groups. How much it is coming? 415. Okay, so 415. Now we can see 2008ಗೆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, 3 ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್. 2009ಗೆ 2 ಆಗ್ತವೆ, ಅದು ಬರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. 2010ಗೆ ಅದು ಬರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂತಂದರೆ 5 ಆಗಬೇಕು. 5 you should have to made in compulsory. Then trend value you should know how to calculate. 5 yearly moving 5 yearly moving average divided by how many, what is the basis you are solving here? It is a 5 yearly, so it is divided by 5. Means see here, this is 1999. How much trend value is coming? 515 is 5 yearly moving average, okay, divided by 5. So how much? 103.0. In the same cases, continue for 2000. What is the moving average? 530 divided by 5. How much it is? 106. In the same, 518 divided by 6 is 303. 6 it is 303.6. 493 divided by 4, that is 98.6. Then 458 divided by 5, 91.6. Then 443 divided by 5, 86.6. Next is 405 divided by 5, 81. Then 391 this ಆಗ್ತದೆ 78.2. Then 415 this ಆಗ್ತದೆ 83.0. Okay, so these are the trend values you have to calculate it here. Okay, so next what we have to do, these trend values and actual values you have to show in the graph. Okay, so now we can see these actual values and trend values you have to show from the histogram, that is the histogram of the given time series along with the trend values. So in the method of 5 yearly moving average, the commonly you should have to solve the graph as well as 3-year moving average, 4-year moving average and 5 years moving average. So in the graph, in the y-axis, in the y-axis we are mentioned from the years, and the y-axis that is actual value. So in the actual values, minimum is 60 here, okay, and the maximum is 120. Yes, in here that is also maximum 106 is there, so here maximum 120, so I'm taken 120 maximum. Minimum is 60 on minimum 60 there. So ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು 10 difference ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 20 difference ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 5 difference ಇರ್ಬೋದು. I put it here for the 10 differences. So first we have to recording from the y values from the graph, that is 1998 is 105. Then 99 is 110. Then 2000 is 100. Then 2001 is 95. Yes, then 2002 is 105. Then 2003 is 120. 2004 is 98. 2005 is 75. 2006 it is a 60. 2007 is 80. Then 2008 92. When you are graphing, that is the correct figure you are getting. Then 2009 is 84. Then 2010 is 99. Okay, these values we are recorded here now. Okay, so then put it all those things. Okay, this is also your actual value. So next you can record for the trend values. What is they are given here? First year nothing, second year 103, Yes. Next is 106. Next is 103. Then next 2001, 103. Sorry, in this year it is not coming, only this year. 1998 nothing is there. 1999 is 103. '99 is 103. Here it is coming. Then 106. 2000 is 106. Then next is 2001 is 103. 2001 is 103. Next 2002 is 98. 2 is 98. Then 91. Then 86. Then 81. Then 78. Next is 83. So 2007 is 83. Okay, these are the actual value and this is a trend value. So like this we can solve in the problem for the 5 yearly moving average. Once again you can see here groups we can make it for a 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the 1999. First year not coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the next year. Same process should be continued for 2000. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this you can add it from the 5 years. Okay, and the same thing recorded in the graph in the y values, that is actual values and trend values. Actual values and trend values both you can record it in the graph, and in the exam also compulsory you can draw the graph. Thank you.